What was once a family dairy farm years ago in Springfield will soon become a multi-million-dollar development. Nearly 100 acres on Campbell, just south of the Library Center, will be developed, bringing commercial space and businesses to what is now mostly vacant land. KOLR 10's Jennifer Abreu uncovered a little piece of history behind this property. She spoke with a woman whose great-grandfather owned that land back in the early 1900s. Jennifer.
Heather, in a couple of years, new businesses will populate that area. But before we look ahead into the future, we're taking a ride down memory lane with a little piece of this family's stories and Springfield's history.
It's really changed a lot. 50 years.
If you've lived in the Springfield area for a while, you know.
None of this was here.
And more is coming soon. The Ridge at Ward Branch will include a full-service hotel, office spaces, restaurants, and entertainment.
It's fascinating to see how it's developing.
Linda Rabe tells me this entire 100-acre property was once owned by her great-grandfather.
His name is Augustus Ward. That he was on the first federal grand jury in Greene County.
Augustus Ward had 5 sons, one of which was Rabe's grandfather, Blond Ward.
This was dated January the 27th, 1912.
Rabe's family dug up some old documents signed by Augustus when they heard this property was going to be developed.
His actual handwriting, yeah. It's his last will and testament as how he divided that property up. Like his wife, my uncle, Walter, who lived in that piece of property, and him and his wife had the big dairy farm there.
She remembers going to that farm when she was about 6 years old.
They had chickens and cows because they had a big dairy farm, so we'd always get the milk from them. And my dad would always go down to the creek and get the watercress.
Rabe says she hopes the developers preserve some of that natural environment.
I was always hoping they would just make it a big open park area.
They say they intend to keep much of the original landscape, including the creek and the ridge. The plan is to add a biking trail too.
Times change, so you just gotta change with it.
And the entire project is estimated to cost about $500 million. The construction in that area is expected to begin next year.